That is so cute.
It's time to boss up. Fix your credit, girl, get at it. Get your bag up. Hit that gym and get back fine. Go get that degree, go girl, focus on me. Unlock potential that you didn't know you had in you. Fuck that nigga, hey.
Okay guys, this is the end of my video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. We are about to well, y'all, smash that. This is not the end of my video. We're about to go downtown. We're about to go scooter riding and out to eat, because today is my boy last day with me for right now. He'll be back. Believe that. He will be back. Honey, he had to go back to Louisiana for a little bit for, you know, some emergency reasons, but my boy will be back. So y'all stay tuned, and we're gonna put y'all in on the vlog. If y'all like my hair, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. If y'all like my makeup, make sure you give my video a big thumbs up. Okay, love you, beauty babe. See y'all when I get downtown. So y'all, we done made it downtown. Just to go get something to eat. Say hey to the vlog, Nephew. I thought you went to go get something. I thought you went to go get your haircut. Y'all, my boy about to sit there and go back home for a minute. I'm missing my boy, y'all. So y'all, we taking him out to eat, and we're taking him downtown to go ride the scooter booters. Yeah, gotta do a little something, razzle dazzle. Nah, that's the massage place. We going right here. Yeah. Yeah. She done already came inside. I already ordered her something to eat. Hey. Check her out. She cool. So what you getting? Pepperoni pizza? And a Caesar salad? What kind of special? If you get a salad, kids can get a free drink. Thank you. Oh, wait. This is too cute. He's drunk. What he doing? What he doing? Look at him. What the fuck? Oh, he out in the street. Yes, honey, yes. Oh, he got his pole. Okay, boo. You better twirl that pole. Oh, Y'all about to knock me up.
My friend to get you. Right there, he right there.
Who? Who is friend?
Right there. Diamond.
Like Diamond.
Talking about.
Woo.
You don't like going there, I'm starting to go walking on people.
When you gonna get on top of that bull?
Yep.
Yeah.
So I rode a bull truck, I was like this.
How was you, boo?
Like this.
How you doing?
That just feels out of here.
Big head. How you was on that? How you was on it, boo?
Oh, like this. I can't get up there. It's hard.
Yeah, they tired.
I feel like I'm a child. I can't ride on it. Mom, I'm so there.
Woo.
He ain't level, mama.
Oh, he showed that. They showed ain't level.
He ain't
Look
level.
at Big head.
I probably can't go on that horse wheel. I can get on those.
I thought.
That lady down there getting on them.
What lady? Moo, I don't see no lady getting on nothing. Whew. Get up there, Moo. What you mean he big? Big head helper. Oh, look at. Get up there. Hold the camera.
Get up there, son.
I can't. Let me try. Mama. You said, let me try.
You can't do it like that. Come on.
Mama, now you can't hump this.
Well, let me go up there.
No, Big can't come help me.
Man, let me go.
Because he's a man.
Let me go.
You weak.
Well, let me
Be careful.
go. Let me show you how you get on a horse, baby. Let me show you how you ride.
I know how to get on the horse. I know how to ride it.
Move, so
You need to
come
come
on, put a popo.
It's hot, baby.
Let me show you how to do it. Let me hold these keys there. Let me show y'all how to do it, baby.
It's hot.
You couldn't do it, but your mama can do it.
She can't even get up there herself. It's hot. It's hot. Exactly. It's hot.
The popo on this guy.
This shit had a ladder.
Cause I don't think we're supposed to get up
He
here.
all up in his booty. I know how to get up there. I can't even get up there. This shit had a horse.
It's about to go down.
Ah! Wait!
Mama,
Vicky,
Mama,
Vicky, you still recording? No, that's okay. Hey, no, you ride that thing. She mad. You mad? Damn, I done scratched up my arm, y'all. I'm up here trying to. Dang, Big Head, you gonna break your phone. You better ride that thing like a rodeo. My titty done fell out. More, you can't ride it. It ain't no such thing as riding. He ain't gonna go nowhere. So let's go to the eye. Shit, he real big. Whew. Hey. What's wrong, baby? Huh? What's wrong? What man?
You be on top of somebody's.
He laying out on top of somebody's body.
Go over here.
Yeah.
Come on.
Laying out on top of somebody's body. I ain't finna go walk on them folk grave. I'm scared. You go. Huh?
Is it 4? Is it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8?
Mm-hmm.
Mama, don't fall in.
I'm gonna fall in there. He sleep on somebody's good stuff. Whoa. Yeah. Yeah, baby. You smell good, huh? What happened to that restaurant? They closed that restaurant down? Oh. Oh. Oh, that's a... Oh, we didn't know it was the elevator.
They got a little appetizer.
There you go, sir. That's all I want right now. So, we can't say bye to the vlog since you're walking out. So I had ditched the kids to come get me some drinks. As y'all see, they finally came back. They found me because they went downtown and started walking because your girl needed a drink. I've been vlogging with these kids. Waiter! Well, yeah, I've been vlogging with these kids. We've been having a good time. Now we're at this elegant, nice restaurant called the Woodworth downtown Dallas, and I am loving it, y'all. I'm talking about, I am so loving it. It has been an honor and a blessed day for me to actually spend time with the kids. Lazaric is about the big head. Y'all know him as Big Head, so call him as Big Head. Don't forget to say bye to him down in the comment section because we are going to miss him. He's going back to Louisiana for a couple of weeks, probably a month, because he has an emergency situation with his mom. And we love you, love and blessings. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment to our video. Thank you, and we are out.
Yeah,